What if one simple drink could help balance your hormones, flatten your belly, and calm your gut, all before breakfast? I drank clove water for 7 days straight, and what happened changed the way I see natural healing forever. I was bloated, sluggish, and no matter what I ate or didn't eat, my belly felt tight, tender, and just wrong. I thought it was just age or hormones. But one day, I stumbled on something ancient, spicy, and surprisingly powerful, clove water, so I tried it. Just 1 cup every morning before food. Within days, my digestion felt smoother. The bloating? Gone. My skin? Brighter. And by the end of the week, even my sugar cravings were quieter. What is it about clove water that works like magic, especially for women like us? Let's break it down. There is a science behind the sip. Cloves aren't just a kitchen spice. They're a natural pharmacy wrapped in a tiny brown bud. At the heart of clove's power is a compound called eugenol, a potent antioxidant, antimicrobial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory powerhouse. And when you boil it into water, you unlock its full potential in a gentle, body-loving way. Here's what clove water can do for your gut, hormones, heart, and weight. 1. Say bye-bye to bloating and digestive drama. Raise your hand if you've ever felt 5 months pregnant. After a meal, clove water stimulates digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food better. It also relaxes the smooth muscles in your gut, teasing gas, cramps, and that tight, swollen feeling. Drink 1 cup of clove water on an empty stomach to support smoother digestion and regular bowel movements. 2. Balances blood sugar naturally. Whether you're dealing with PCOS, insulin resistance, or mid-afternoon crashes, clove water is a natural blood sugar balancer. Studies show that eugenol improves insulin sensitivity and helps regulate glucose metabolism. That means fewer cravings, better energy, and less fat storage, especially around the belly tree. Pairing it with a high-protein breakfast for even more stable energy all day long. 3. Reduces inflammation. From joints to womb, inflammation is the sneaky villain behind most modern symptoms: fatigue, joint pain, period problems, even slow metabolism. Clove's anti-inflammatory effect is especially helpful for women with hormonal imbalances, endometriosis, or arthritis. I noticed my knees weren't as stiff during yoga, and that time of the month, way less painful. Sip clove water daily to keep inflammation down and your body more balanced. Comment below if inflammation or bloating is your biggest daily struggle. Let's talk real-life solutions together. 4. Supports hormonal harmony. Our hormones thrive when inflammation is low, gut health is strong, and blood sugar is stable. Clove water ticks all 3 boxes. It supports the liver, which processes hormones, the gut, where estrogen is recycled, and reduces oxidative stress, which messes with hormonal balance. Some women even notice more regular cycles or fewer PMS symptoms with consistent use. For added hormonal support, pair clove water with seed cycling or magnesium-rich foods. 5. Fights candida and gut imbalance. If you've ever had recurring yeast infections, thrush, or unexplained sugar cravings, your gut may be hosting more fungus than friends. Clove water is antifungal, helping to fight off candida overgrowth, which is common in women with hormone imbalances. It also gently clears out harmful bacteria without wiping out your good microbes. Do you want a full gut reset? ADD fermented foods like sauerkraut and kefir while drinking clove water daily. 6. Oral health and fresh breath. Let's be honest. Bad breath can creep up even when your teeth are clean. Clove water's antibacterial effects make it a natural mouthwash. Gargle with it to reduce plaque, soothe sore gums, and even freshen breath on the spot. ADD a few drops of peppermint or cinnamon for a DIY detox rinse. 7. Boosts heart and blood vessel health. Eugenol in cloves doesn't just calm inflammation, it also relaxes blood vessels, helping to reduce blood pressure and improve circulation. This matters for hormonal women because estrogen loss after 35 can increase heart risk. Clove water can protect your arteries and reduce LDL oxidation, the bad cholesterol culprit. Combine clove water with daily walks and leafy greens to double the heart benefits. 8. Strengthens immunity. Clove water is rich in vitamin C, manganese, and other trace minerals that keep your immune system strong. If you get frequent cold, fatigue, or feel like you catch everything, this is your new go-to. Drink it consistently, especially during flu season or stress-heavy periods. Making clove water is easier than you think. Here's my go-to recipe: 4-8 whole cloves, 1.5 cups of water. You could add raw honey, cinnamon stick, or lemon sliced. Boil the water. Add cloves and other ingredients if you like. Stir for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and sip warm, first thing in the morning. It's earthy, slightly spicy, and surprisingly refreshing. Subscribe for more healing tips like this. We post new videos weekly to help women reset their gut, hormones, and energy naturally. For best results, drink for 7 days straight. Track how you feel, especially digestion, cravings, and skin clarity. Then cycle it into your routine 3-5x a week for maintenance. While clove water is safe for most people, avoid it. If you're pregnant, always ask your OB. You're on blood-thinning medications, you have ulcers or active gastritis, listen to your body and always start small. You could start with half a cup. Download my free hormone-friendly detox guide in the description. It includes 5 daily rituals that work alongside clove water for belly fat, bloating, and burnout recovery. I started clove water hoping for a little gut relief. What I got was a full body upgrade. And I'm not saying it's magic, but when ancient medicine meets modern science, the results are hard to ignore. You deserve to feel light, clear, and balanced again. And sometimes it really does start with just 1 cup.